Let's assume you have 1 acre of land that has been partitioned into 4 halves. The first part of your land contains your own house, which is not a revenue source or not a source of income, and you cannot make money from that land space. In space 2, you rent a building to someone and earn money from it. The third and fourth spaces remain unsold. If these unsold spaces are not sold to anyone, you may lose rent or any revenue that can get from these spaces. When you want to sell this unsold one, and a situation where no one is ready to purchase from your known contacts, you will approach some mediator and engage his assistants in selling them. They work on commission to find buyers who show interest in purchasing that space. Among those buyers, you will decide to which buyer you want to sell the unsold spaces. This is a way with a mediator to sell land space in real time. Similarly, for publisher ad inventory, let's say out of 3 ad spaces, only 1 ad space is sold. Remaining 2 ad spaces are unsold. If publisher don't find an alternative way to sell remnant inventory, then publisher earn nothing and it is loss for them. They miss the chance of making revenue out of it. Similar to our example of land space we described, for publisher, now it's time to find a way or revenue source and need some player who can help to sell those remnant inventories. And to make this happen, a new player and a mediator came into picture, and that player is ad network. Ad networks are similar to mediator between the land space owner and a buyer. And think of ad networks as the land agents of digital advertising ecosystem. Ad network is one way through which a publisher earns revenue from their remnant inventory. There exist other ways also. I will explain them in future videos. Since our discussion is on ad networks, let's focus on this. What is an ad network? An ad network is a company that purchases inventory from a specific group of publishers and aggregates and marks up and sell it to advertisers who are looking for it.